the manual. Looks like it's printed in English, so you can understand it fully. Now let's look out for the other. So here's the shower head. Shower hose and also the handle for the shower head. We're gonna do drilling in terms of installing this on your shower walls. Then that's the unit, actual unit, the main unit, and as well as the accessories for the mounting of the actual unit on your shower. Now let's open up the main unit. It is securely placed on this bubble wrapping. And it also has that cover to ensure that there's no scratches along the way or during transit of this main unit. Inlet for the hot water and the cold water. The red one is for the hot water. It's threaded, as well as for the cold water or the blue one, also threaded. So now let's look at the back side of the main unit. So this aluminum part is where you will secure the main unit against the wall of your shower. Now let's look at the electrical wiring. It has 3 wires. The third wire is for the grounding, and the other 2 is of course for the electrical outlet. So now let's set up the main unit for the testing. We will be needing to connect these wires onto this circuit breaker, which you will also be using when you are going to actually use it on your shower. So this is a useful tool to ensure that you will be safe while using this instant water heater on your shower. So you need also a plug connect to the other end of the circuit breaker, and also a tester to check the continuity, as well as some screwdrivers as well. So you have to unscrew on the one end of the circuit breaker and mount the plug on this end. So this will go through the main electrical plug. So just screw it up and ensure it's well secured and it has a main electrical connection on the circuit breaker as well as on the wires. So now once this side is done, you can move on to the next area of the circuit breaker and connect these wires onto this. So now you connect the wires from this side of the circuit breaker. The blue one is to be connected, as well as the brown one. The yellow and green one is for the grounding, so you're not going to be using this on this type of circuit breaker. there's a connection between this the wires and the circuit breaker. So in order to test this properly, you need to have a voltmeter or a continuity tester. And in this manner, we're just gonna check the continuity between these two connections. So as you can see, there's some resistance, low resistance on this one, meaning to say there is a connection. And check it out if the circuit breaker has the same type of resistance. And the other one should be fine as well. So it's good to go. So now we're gonna test this in actual. So from the circuit breaker connection, we're just plug it up on the electrical plug and let's test. So it's working. There's actual power up already, and let's try to turn it on. There's a power. Let's try to turn down, turn up. So the temperature should be fine. It looks like it's working properly. So I guess this is good to go. So now this actual unit of instant water heater is already installed on our shower area, and it has an electrical connection already. It's power up, and the shower hose is already installed on the source, the cold water, and there is no shower hose yet for the hot water. So you just have to buy your own on this situation, because of from the box itself or the actual purchase of this unit, there's no actual extra shower hose for this. So just to check if it's really working, as you can see that the water is already going out, and the temperature or the interface on the actual screen it looks like it's turning up the heat of the water. So this should be okay.